Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G9 Power and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide a little bit down to the capture settings, and here we have the leveler option, so by using this button we can easily turn it on or turn it off by another tap as we need. For now let me keep this turn it on. Let's go back to the camera to see it, and we have this line here at the center now. This is useful, for example, when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. And this is how to use this. Of course, when we don't need this, we can easily tap here again in the right corner, slide again to the capture settings and use this button to turn it off. And for now, the leveler has gone here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.